Now, O mine, he has accomplished his goal of not being kind enough to come and give a darshan to me. That is the thing, like sadhinchane, O manasa, he has accomplished. Sadhinchane is as a, he accomplished. O manasa, O mind, please listen to me. He is not coming. That is, this composition is addressed towards Lord Rama. All Tyagaraja compositions are indirectly or directly addressed his devotion towards Lord Rama. So he says, he addresses himself saying that, oh mind, please listen, he is still not coming to me. And while as we go ahead in the composition, he explains the reasons and the ways how he is not listening to his devotees. And there is a kind of poetic beauty called Nindastuti. Nindastuti is like showing one's devotion and veneration to Lord through accusing. He is accusing that Lord Rama is not giving darshan to him. Now, we'll move on to Anupallavi. Bodhinchina Sanmarga Vachanamulanu Bonku Chesi Ta Pattina Pattu Sadhinchane. Now, he is explaining why he is calling that why he is dwelling into Nindastuti of Lord Rama. He has preached several good ways and a disciplined way of leading a life, one's own life, through his Gita preachings, Bhagavad Gita and all. But he himself has proved that they are all lies. Why? Because he is not coming and giving darshan to me, because I am actually pleading him, and I have been waiting for his darshan since so long. So that's how he is being very stubborn. Sadhinchane accomplished the goal. They accomplished the goal of not giving darshan to me. That is the main intention of this composition. And okay, we'll move on to the charanams. First charanam, there is one anubandham in between the charanams and after Anupallavi, that is Samayaniki Tagumaataladene. The literal meaning is he knows the ways and way outs by talking as and when it is required, and by not talking also as and when it is required. He knows, he is omnipotent, he knows the ways and means of expressing himself, and also being not talking or talking at his convenience, and when he, if he wants to deliver, how the way he wants to deliver his devotees. So from Charanams, the composer is giving the reasons and means of how he accomplished the set goals of not giving darshan to his devotees. The first Charanam is Devaki Vasudevulanu Eginchinatu. Eginchinatu in Telugu literally means he made them cry. Eginchinatu. They being his parents, Devaki and Vasudeva, though they gave him birth, he made them suffer, and he didn't give his darshan to him. He just left them just after his birth and went to Yashoda for growing. So he pestered his parents, Devaki and Vasudeva, by not being there with them, though he was born to them, and thus started talking accordingly. That is Samayaniki Tagumaataladane, means he talks according to the situation. That is the thing which I explained. Just there is an interlink between the Charanams and the Anubandham lines and the Pallavi. That is how we have, there is a kind of reverse poetry in Tyagaraja's compositions. So he pestered his own parents, Devaki and Vasudeva, by not being there with him, and then he will support that wrong thing of not being there with him in his own ways. That is Samayaniki Tagu Maataladene. Then next charanam is Rangesudu Sadgangajanekudu Sangeeta Sampradayakudu. It is a bit tricky expression here. Rangamu in Telugu is the dais, the stage. Rangesudu Sadgangajanekudu Sangeeta Sampradayakudu. So Rangamu in Telugu literally means a stage where a performance is being done or a drama is being showcased. Like that, he is the creator and director of this universal drama in this world. So Rangesudu, he is the director and creator of this drama, and that is happening on the stage of this entire universe. And Sadganga Janakudu. Here, Ganga Janakudu, actually Ganga has originated in the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu. But here in this context, with my limited knowledge, I understand that we should not be taking that Ganga. He added a word, a letter called Sat Ganga. Ganga as a river herself is a form of purified water, and it cleanses us, the humankind, mankind, from all the sins we commit. So there is no such word called Sadganga or bad Ganga. So here Sadganga means the Ganga of the ocean of music. He is the creator of the divine music, and he gave us the rules and regulations of how to present or how to dwell into the ocean of music. Thus, I'll just tell you, here as it is, it sounds to my limited knowledge, one should not get mixed up by the word Ganga to be the river, though it literally means that. He used word Sat Ganga, means good Ganga, that is music, but not river Ganga, as she is already pure, pious, and she cleanses us all our sins, and thus there is no good Ganga and bad Ganga. So he talks as and when what he wants to express according to the time. So Samayaniki Tagu Maataladene. Next charanam is Gopi Jana మనోరథము మొసంగలేకని గేలియు చేసేవాడు. గోపీజన మనోరథ మొసంగలేకని గేలియు చేసేవాడు సమయాన్ని తగు మాటలాడినే. He spoke to the situations without fulfilling the desires of Gopikas, and thus presented them without giving darshan to them. They were craving for his darshan, but he didn't give him his darshan, and yet again he took their clothes when they were in water, and there is one more underlying meaning in that thing which he has Leela which he has done in Krishnavatara, but then he didn't give what gopis asked from him. So again he made a kind of fun of them, of their desire of getting his darshan. Thus he knows how to pretend at that particular time, and thus he has accomplished the goal of not giving darshan to all of his devotees as and when they wanted. Now, next charanam is Vanitala Sada Sokka Jeyuchunu Mrokka Jese Paramatmudu Adiyugaka Yashoda Tanayudanchu Mudambunanu Muddubetta Navuchundu Hari. వనితల సదా సొక్కజేయుచును మ్రొక్కజేసే పరమాత్ముడు అదియుగాక యశోద తనయుడంచు ముదంబునను ముద్దుబెట్ట నవ్వుచుండు హరి. He is the omnipotent and he is the omnipresent. Lord Sri Hari, being omnipotent and omnipresent, he is always fondly worshipped by several ladies, that is Gopikas in Gokulam, Not only that, he became baby for, I mean, like he was worshipped by them fondly, but he didn't give darshan to them as they wanted. Being Paramatma of this whole universe, being the omnipotent, he was belovedly worshipped by the gopis. And apart from that, he was baby. He acted as baby for uh, Queen Yashoda, and he just smiles at her pleasantly when she kisses him on his cheeks without with a feeling of love, that motherly love. So he enjoyed that motherly love from Yashoda, being omnipotent and omnipresent. And so he did give a kind of darshan to Yashoda, but he will never give darshan to Tyagaraja, and thus he did speak according to time and his convenience, and thus he attained the goal of not giving darshan to Tyagaraja Swami. Now, next charanam is Parama Bhakta Vatsaludu Suguna Paravarundu Ajanma Managudi Anagudu Yi Kalibadhala దీర్చువాడనుచునే హృదంబుజమున చూచుచుండగా సమయానికి తగు మాటలాడెనే అండ్ సాధించనే. పరమ భక్త వత్సలుడు సుగుణ పారావారుండు ఆజన్మ అనగుడు ఈ కలిబాధల దీర్చువాడనుచు నే మీ హృదంబుజమున, ఇన్ మై లోటస్, హార్ట్ లోటస్, ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు విజువలైజ్ హిమ్. Chuchuchundaga, I am trying to visualize him in my lotus heart. How? Why? I trusted him that he is the one, solace. He is the one who comes to my rescue in this humiliating world of present day duration of Kali. That is Kali Badhala Dirchuvad Anuchune. And I thought that he is Suguna Paravarundu. I thought that he is an embassed form of good qualities, and he is Parama Bhakta Vatsaludu. That means he is he always had been very kind enough for several other devotees that appeared before Tyagaraja on this earth. That is the word by meaning, and I am now just giving a gist of the thing in this charanam. I always thought him to be Suguna Paravarundu, that is encompassed with all good qualities, being the greatest of the great, and is very kind towards his greatest devotees, and trusted him to be the rescue for the humiliations caused by the times, present times, that is Kali Yuga. And one such is we are suffering through Corona, and the humiliations caused by times, that is Kali Yuga, and kept on searching for him in my Hridaya Ambujamu, that is lotus-like thoughts of my mind, but did not come to my darshan and started talking according to the situation, and thus accomplished the goal of pestering me by not giving the darshan to me. Now, next charanam is Hare Ramachandra Raghukulesa Mrudu Subhasha Seshasayana Paranari Sodara Raja Viraja Turagaraja Rajanuta Niramayapagana Sarasiruhaksha Sarasiruha Dalaksha Yanuchu Vedukonna Nannu Ta Brovakanu. I have been begging him. Vedukonta ante begging. I've been begging him, so with and praising him like, Hare Ramachandra, you are the Raghukulesa. You have sweetest. Mrudu Subhasha means having very sweet speech, and you lie down on the greatest serpent Adisesha, and as in Ramavatara, you underwent the Ekapatni Vratam and considered all the ladies around you as your sisters, except for your mothers and goddess Sita, and Niramaya, your stories are endless, and you are cleanser of all the sins we commit. I have been praising you so much, but still నన్ను తాబ్రోవకను. He accomplished sadhinchane. He accomplished his goal of not coming to me by the way of not coming to my rescue. So we'll just now we had the word to word meaning, and we'll have see the whole meaning of the charanam. He is not coming to my rescue, though I am praising him with different names as Hari, Ramachandra, Raghukulesa, who has very soft and good speech, and he is the one lying on the great serpent Adisesha, and consider all ladies other than goddess Sita to be his sisters, and always praised by King of Kings, and who is present always in the universal Niramaya universe, and kept praising him to be wide lotus-eyed, Sarasiruha Dalaksha, wide lotus-eyed. You are such beauty, you have such beautiful eyes. I am flattering you also. That is the expression of the composer, etc. Still, he is not coming to me. Thus, accomplished his goal of not giving darshan to me, and started speaking accordingly, and accomplished your goal of not coming to me. Next charanam is Sri Venkatesa Suprakasa Sarvonnata Sajjana Manasa Niketana. Sri Venkatesa Suprakasa Sarvonnata Sajjana Manasa Niketana Kanakambaradhara Lasan Makuta Kundala Virajita Hare యనుచు నే పొగడగా త్యాగరాజగేయుడు మానవేంద్రుడైన రామచంద్రుడు సమయానికి తగు మాటలాడనే అండ్ సాధించనే. Like I have been praising him as Lord Venkateshwara, who is self-illuminated, and he is the best of this universe, who resides in hearts of good people, who is flourishing clad in golden pitambaramulu. That is Kanaka, the word is Kanakambara. That is, Kanakamu is, as I explained, is gold in Telugu. So Kanakambaramu is golden cladding, like clothes. He is cladded in golden clothes, flourishing cladded in golden clothes, and wearing the great crown and ear ornaments. We know that Lord Venkateshwara is adorned with Makara Kundalamulu, right? You all know that Makara Kundalamulu, and he has his crown is very beautiful. So, and he is the Lord Hari, that is who delivers us from the all worldly illusions, and being sung by Tyagaraja. The same Hari is being sung by Tyagaraja as Ramachandra. Hare Ramachandrayanne Pogadaga and చెప్పారు కదా అది Ramachandra, who is the greatest God in human form. Lord Rama has shown us how one should lead their lives as human beings. That's why he has taken Rama Avatar, that we all know, right? So, human form. Yet, having said, though I am praising him so much, he is not giving darshan to me, and kept his speech according to the situation, but not only kept his speech according to situation, but also accomplished his goal and of not giving darshan, and thus salvation to me. And above all, in the Anubandham, he says, సద్భక్తుల నడతలిట్లనెనే అమరికగా నా పూజ కొనెనే అలుగవద్దనెనే విముఖులతో చేరబోకుమనెనే వెదకలిగితే తాళుకొమ్మననే దమసమాధి సుఖదాయకుడగు శ్రీ త్యాగరాజనుతుడు చెంత రాకనే సాధించెనే. So there is a connection from all these things to the accomplishment of goal of not giving darshan to Tyagaraja. Now, in this thing, in this Anubandham, he has given the way of like one should lead their life. What he says is, he explained the ways of being a good devotee. Sadbhaktula nadatalu itlanene, the characteristics of a good devotee, and accepted all the ways I worshipped him. Chakkaga, I mean, he was very obedient and accepted all my prayers and worship and the ways I worshipped him. He told me not to get disappointed and have patience if I get hurt, and asked me not to join with people who are not true devotees. Vimukulato cherabokumanene. Tarata vetakaligite talukomanene. That is the meaning of this, the meaning. He told me not get disappointed and have patience if I get hurt, and asked me not to join with people who are not true devotees. And after all this, the one who is being praised by Tyagaraja, still not giving the composer his darshan and accomplished his goal and spoke according to the conditions. Thus, we can observe how Tyagaraja was tested by Lord Ramachandra, and thus teaching us how it is very hard to accomplish something in this world. If you need to do something good in this world, you need to work really hard. That is the main, I mean, like if you take it, the worldly worldly guideline that we get from this composition is that it is very hard to accomplish good things. So all children should keep this in mind. So you should keep working hard towards achieving your goals. And so that is the thing. Thus, we can just observe how Tyagaraja was tested by Lord Rama and teaching us how it is very hard to accomplish something in this world. At the same time, how hard it is to attain moksha or salvation. This is the teaching for elders. Like I always tell you, as I always tell you, Tyagaraja's compositions teach us how to lead our life. It is one such instance. We can, in a way, assume this Kruti to be an explanation of the title. Yeah, Kapatanataka Sutradhari. Like we call him like Ladhari, that he is Kapatanataka Sutradhari. And it is one of such compositions where we can find the explanation of that term. And now this Ninda Stuti, we can, other composers where we can find this Ninda Stuti is Bhadrachala Ramadas. He used this Ninda Stuti in many of his compositions. And for example, Ikshvaku Kulatilaka Ikanaina Dayarada, if you observe that composition, we can find how he accused Lord Rama, but finally again all these devotees, they beg pardon of him, and then and they got their darshan by the end of their lives and got united with the Paramatma. I hope all of you enjoyed the explanation of Sadhinchane. And then we'll just have 1 minute break and go on to Jagadananda Karaka. You want me to continue, Andi? Usha garu?
Thank you so much. And just I would like to share an appreciation letter from our Honorable Consulate General of India. He just sent us, because as you all know, Janaranjani has just completed 7 years of existence in Sydney in radio. So I am proud to be part of the team, and I shared this, and I'm sure, I hope you all can see it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
He says, I extend my heartiest congratulations to the team members on completing 7 years of broadcasting on 2NBC radio. etc. And Janaranjani has played a pivotal role in promoting Indian culture in Sydney through Indian classical performing art and regional language activities. I'm particularly happy to note that youth have been actively participating in its broadcasts over the years. So you saw that just now, the director of the Vivekananda Center, which is affiliated to the consulate, he mentioned that our webpage is quite up to date, and it is because of the efforts from our youth volunteers. And I can't name one of them. Like they're all doing a fantastic job, and they're maintaining the webpage with the latest information and then trying to promote. So if anyone is interested to be part of the team, please let us know. We have a WhatsApp group also. So yeah. Now, Padma Garu, can I request you to continue with the Jagadananda Karaka?
Sure. Thank you, Ushaji. Now we'll go on to Jagadananda Karaka. Actually, this is the first Pancharatna Kriti that is rendered in this group Kritis. It is set in the Raga Nata. There is a proverb in Carnatic music saying Adi Nata Antya Surata. And Tyagaraja actually, he didn't club the pieces into Pancharatnams. It is Bengaluru Nagaratnam Garu who formed this group of Pancharatna Kritis, and they are Ghanaraga. They are in Ghanaragas. I explained the meaning of Ghanaragas in my earlier sessions. And so, first of these Ghanaragas is Nata. This composition Jagadananda Karaka is there in the Raga Nata. And before going into the understanding the meaning of Jagadananda Karaka, I have to bring it to your notice of some unique features of this composition. Like as we discussed in earlier sessions, all other Pancharatnams resemble the old Varna format, the musical form Varnam. I explained you Pallavi, Anupallavi, Muktaiswaram, Charanam and Charanaswarams. So that is, and there will be Anubandham by the end of the Varnam. So we have Pallavi, Anupallavi, Charanams and Anubandham in all other 4 Pancharatnams. But here in this Pancharatnam, we have only Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanams. There is no Anubandham. Thus, this composition can be derived to be a Svarajati. Like we know Syama Sastri's 3 monumental pieces, Kamakshi Amba in the Bhairavi and Edukala Kamboji, Rave Hemagiri Kumari in Raga Todi. Like that, this composition, I mean, it will be very interesting to know that this resembles a Svarajati format of musical form. And the other thing I just want to tell you about this composition is all other 4 compositions were in pure Telugu. This particular composition is in Prakrutamu. It's not Sanskrit, it's not Telugu either. It's a combination of Sanskrit and Telugu. That is Prakrutamu, which is not in use nowadays. It was there in olden days, but now it is not being used. So, Tyagaraja has composed this Jagadananda Karaka piece in Prakruta. And now we try to understand the Pallavi. Jagadananda Karaka, Jaya Janaki Prananayaka. I think it's a bit very easy, simple to understand these wordings. Hail, Jaya means hail, Jai, Jai Ho. O beloved Lord of Goddess Janaki, as you are the source of happiness on this earth. So again, as usual, he is making a statement. Jagadananda Karaka, Jaya Janaki Prananayaka. Hail, O Lord of Janaki, Goddess Janaki, because you are the source of happiness on this earth. So now we'll move on to Anupallavi. Very nice. Gaganadhipa Satkulaja. Gaganadhipa Satkulaja Raja Rajeswara. Gaganadhipa Satkulaja Rajeswara Sugunakara Surasevya Bhavyadayaka Sada Sakala Jagadananda Karaka. You are the king of kings, Rajarajeswara, and for the dynasty of sun god. That sun god, again, we can see the poetic beauties of Tyagaraja. Gaganadhipa Satkulaja. Gaganadhipa, the king of skies, that is sun god, and his dynasty, that is Suryavansam, and Lord Rama, Rajarajeswara, he is king of emperor of the Surya dynasty, Surya Vamsam. That is being expressed. It is not, he can just say Surya Vansaniki Uttamuda and directly he should have addressed him. No, that is the poetic way he expressed sun god, Gaganadhipa, Satkulajaraj Rajeswara, Sugunakara, and you will give us, bestow us with the good qualities. Surasevya, you are being prostrated by all gods. Bhavyadayaka, Bhavyam means you bestow us with all wealth and good things on this earth, and you make Sada Sakala Jagadananda Karaka. You are the source of happiness of this whole world. Thus we'll summarize the meaning. You are the king of kings of Sun dynasty, that is Surya Vamsam. Here, I mean, and then Sugunakara means you will bestow us with good qualities, and you are worshipped by all gods and demigods, and you bless all the world with wealth and happiness. That is Bhavyadayaka. Now we'll move on to Charanams. Amarataraka Nichaya Kumudahita Paripurna Anagha Surabhuja Dadipayodhivasahara Sundara Taravadana Sudhamaya Vacho Brunda Govinda Sananda Mavara Mavara Jarapta Subhakara Neka Amarataraka Nichaya Kumudahita Paripurnanaga Surabhuja Dadipayodhivasahara Sundara Taravadana Sudhamaya Vacho Brunda Govinda Sananda Mavara, that is consort of goddess Lakshmi. Mam is Lakshmi. Vara Jarapta Subhakaraneka. Say, like we'll just look at the meaning. He likes, like the lotus of bliss of salvation. That is the thing. Amarataraka Nichaya Kumudahita. Kumuda is lotus. You like the lotus of the bliss of salvation of several gods and demigods during their practice of getting united with you as omnipotent. That is Amarataraka Nichaya Kumudahita. Anaga means who doesn't have any kind of sins acclaimed on him. So Anagha, Aghamu means papam, sin. Anagha, who doesn't have any kind of sins, and thus he's greatest of the great. So Anagha means greatest of great, and Surabhuja, best of gods, and you have very sweet nectar-like talk with a beautiful face, and you are personified happiness. Sananda means personification of Anandam, that is happiness, and the eternal ecstasy I explained to you in earlier sessions, and husband of goddess Lakshmi, Mavara, and took care of the cowheads of Gokula, that is Brunda Govinda, as Lord Krishna, and Aneka Subhakara, that is endless. You bring us heaps of good boons on to your devotees, and thus bringing happiness to this world. Here, by the end of Charanam, we can find the prosodical, Antyanuprasa, where we can see that Sudhamaya Vacho, Brunda, Govinda, Sananda, Unda, that Antyanuprasa, musical prosody of Antyanuprasa can be found by the end of this Charanam. Thus, he is the one who bestows and who is the cause and reason of the whole happiness of this whole universe. Now, Nigama Niraja, Amrutaja, Poshaka, Nimisha Vairi, Varida Samirana, Khagaturanga, Satkavi Hrudalaya, Ganita Vanaradhipa Natangri Yuga. You nurtured the nectar in the lotus of Vedas, that is Nigama Nirajamrutaja Poshaka. You nurtured the nectar in the lotus of Vedas and brought them up and have the Garuda. He is the one who got us the Vedas when Somakudu, you know that Matsyavatara. Yeah, Matsyavatara, he got all Vedas back from the demon Somaka. That is, maybe we can say that there is the reference of that rescuing the Vedas in this Charanam. And you have Garuda as your vehicle, and you reside in the hearts of great poets praising you. And Aganita Vanaradhipa Natangri Yuga, that is, we can call Sugriva, who is the king of the Vanaras, who are countless in numbers. That is the meaning of that word. Aganita Vanaradhipa Natangri Yuga. He is always sitting at your feet with folded hands and worshipped with folded hands. Right. That is, you are being worshipped with folded hands by the great king of Vanaras, Sugriva. Thus, you are such great source of happiness on this universe, in this universe, on this earth. Now, next charanam is Indra Neelamani Sannibhapa Ghana Chandra Surya Nayana Aprameya Vagendra Janaka Sakalese Subhra Nagendra Sayana Semana Vairi Sanuta. You are praised by the enemy of the Cupid, that is Lord Shiva, when you are lying down on the great serpent, and you are the father of Brahma. That is, Vagendra is Brahma. Vaku is a speech. Indra is the god of the husband of speech. That is goddess Saraswati. The goddess Saraswati is the goddess of speech, and Brahma is her consort. So Vagendra Janaka, you are the father of Brahma, and the sun and moon, you are such a beautiful form with sun and moon as your eyes, and Indra Neelamani Sannibhapa Ghana Chandra Surya, like, and your body is shining like the great gem of Indranila. It's your body is shining like you are such a beautiful personification that have the glare of the great gem Indranila with Surya and Chandra as your eyes, and you are the father of the creator of this universe, and thus you are the source of happiness on this world, in this world. Now, Karadruta Serajala, Suramadapaharana, Vanisura Suravana Kavina, Bilaja Mauni, Krita Cheritra, Sannuta, Sri Tyagarajanuta. Bilaja Mauni Krita Cheritra, that is Ramayana. That is Bilaja Mauni. Bilamu is a serpent den, that the putta we call, right? Bilajamu. Snake burrow, right? Bilaja is snake burrow. When Valmiki has done his penance, he was caught up in between several in the snake burrows, and so that's why he was called Valmiki. That is Bilajamu, who came out of the bilams, the snake burrows. That is Bilaja Mauni, that is Valmiki. So Valmiki Krita Charitra means his history has been narrated by Valmiki in the epic of Ramayana. That is the meaning of that particular word, which is the beauty of this composition. And you have all bows and arrows in your both hands, and you take off all the pride in suras and asuras, that is the meaning. And so we'll see the meaning of the Charanam. You are being praised by Tyagaraja. You are Tyagarajanuta. So you are being praised by Tyagaraja as you have bows and arrows in both your hands to destroy the overwhelmingly arrogant demons, and your history has been narrated in the form of Ramayana by Valmiki Mahamuni, and thus you are the source of happiness on this earth. Now, Srishti Stityanta Karaka, Kamita Falada, Amita. Okay, there is a lot of discussion, I mean, like can be a lot of discussion in the expression of thoughts in this particular Charanam. I'll just give a gist of it. Srishti Stityanta Kara Kamita Falada, Samana Gatra, Asamana Gatra, there will be a conjunction. So Samana Gatra, we are singing Samana Gatra. Sechi Pati Nutabdhi, Sechi Pati Nuta, Abdi Madahara, Anuraga Rajita Kadha Sarahita. That is how actually we should break up the things to understand the meaning. But musically, we are not able to do it because the swara structure is not allowing to us to express the um, meaning of the poetry. So just we'll dwell into the meaning. You are the energy behind this whole creation. Srishti creation and its survival, Srishti Sthiti Antamu. That is the, you are the energy behind this whole creation and its survival and its retreat. And you fulfill all endless desires of your devotees, and your form is matchless, being praised by Devendra, and you calmed the oceans, and your stories are all filled with eternal love, and your devotees, and eternal love of your devotees, and thus you are the source of happiness on this earth. Now, Pada Vijita Mauni, next charanam I am going. Pada Vijita Mauni Sapa. Pada Vijita Mauni Sapa. Sava Paripala, that is, Sava is Yajnamu, Paripala, who rescued Vishwamitra's Yajnam. Sava Paripala, Vara Mantra Grahana Lola. You have accepted the mantras of Bala Atibala from Vishwamitra. And Paramasanta Chitta, you were very calm at the outset. Janakaja Adhipa, Janakaja Adhipa, that is, you are the king, lord of goddess Sita. Saroja Bhava Varada, you are the lord of Brahma. Saroja Bhava, I explained the meaning of Saroja Bhava as Brahma in earlier compositions also. Akhila, whole universe. Jagadananda Karaka. So, Pada Vijita, there is a reference of the story of Ahalya here. He rescued Ahalya from being a rock, spellbound by the Gautama Maharshi. So, we see the meaning of that Charanam. You are the cause of happiness of this world, as that is, I've taken it from the reverse, Akhila Jagadananda Karaka. So you are the cause of happiness of this world, as you are the Janakajadhipa, you are Lord of Goddess Sita and Lord Brahma, and you have very peaceful thoughts and rescued the sacred fires of Vishwamitra with the help of the mantras Bala and Atibala taken from him, and you turned the stone into a woman by breaking the spell of Gautama Maharshi, that is, you rescued Ahalya. Thus, you are Jagadananda Karaka that bring happiness to your devotees. Next charanam is Purana Purusha Nruvaratma Jasrita Asrita Paradhina. Purana Purusha Nruvaratmaja Asrita Paradhina Khara Viradha Ravana Viravana Anagha Parasara Manohara Vikruta Tyagaraja Sannuta. Now you are the Purana Purusha, and he is always bound by the devotion of a true devotee. That is, Asrita Paradhina is being controlled by the penance of the true devotees. You are Prana Purusha and you abide by the devotion of your great bhaktas, Asrita Paradhina, and you killed Rakshasas like Kara, Viradha, Ravana, etc. And you are greatest of the great, and you are being praised by Tyagaraja. Now, next charanam is Sajjana Manasabhi Sudhakara Kusuma Vimana Surasa Ripukarabjala Alita Charana Avaguna Vaguna Charana Vaguna Suragana Madaharana Sanatana Januta. Again, you can see that poetic beauty of Nakara Prasa here, like Charana, Vaguna, Suragana, Madaharana, like that. Sanatana Januta. And we'll look at the meaning of the Charanam. You are the sun in the ocean of pious people hearts, and you are the nectar of the floral-like tender thoughts of your devotees, and your feet are being worshipped by the devatas, and you destroyed the demons, and you are eternal and worshipped by Lord Brahma, and thus you are the source of happiness on this to this world. Omkara Panjarakira Purahara Saroja Bhava Kesavadi Rupa Vasavaripu Janakantaka Kaladhara Kaladharapta Grunakara Seranagata Janapalana Sumanoramana Nirvikara Nigama Saratara. You are the gist of Vedas. So you are the essence of Vedas, Nigama Saratara, and above all, worldly, you are above all the worldly emotions. So Nirvikara is that you are above all the worldly emotions, and you give protection to the ones who come to your rescue, and you are dearest of Lord Shiva, Kaladharapta, and Lord Shiva, and you are the form of Omkara and Brahma and Vishnu. That is Lord Rama as Trimurtyatmakata is shown here in this Charanam. Thus, the importance and greatness of Lord Rama is being explained to the who keeps this happiness of this world. Now, Aganita, we are moving on to final Charanam. Aganita Guna Kanaka Chela Sala Vidalana Runabha Samana Asamana Charana Apara Mahimadhuta Sukavijana Hritsadana Surama Munigana Vihita Kalasa Nira Nidhija Ramana Nira Nidhija Kalasa Nira Nidhija Ramana. That is goddess Lakshmi originated in Kalasambudi. That is when Devatas and Asuras were doing the Amruta Madanam. That is the meaning of, that is reference of Amruta Madanam there. Nira Nidhija Ramana, Pakajan Rusimha. And you are like a lion to the Herculean, that is elephant-like sins we commit, and Varat Yagaraja Dinuta. So you are draped in golden clothes of countless good qualities. Aganita Kunakanaka Jela Sala. You cut all our sins, Sala Vidalana, and your lotus feet shining like in red color as sun, spreading your love. Red color signifies the love and kindness spread by the gods, which is a wonder by itself to your devotees. You reside in hearts of good, kind-hearted poets and Lord of Goddess Lakshmi, who originated during Amruta Madanam, and you slaughter big elephant of our sins and like a lion, and thus you are the source of happiness of this world and being prostrated by Tyagaraja. Thus, this composition is more like a stotra. It's not like other compositions wherein the way of life and the yogic principles are being explained. And so this composition is more like stotra. And so I pray Lord Rama to bestow us all with good luck and bring prosperity very soon in this world by killing the virus corona. Thank you very much. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you, Ushaji.
Thanks, Andy, Padma Garu. Now I will invite our General Executive team Garu and also the very big backbone, Sri Raj Kurumeti Garu, to say a few words to thank Padma Garu.
Namaste, sir.
First of all, thank you, Padma Garu. Dr. Padma Garu, it's a rare opportunity for us to get such detailed explanation of these kritis. And also, generally, we enjoy the music, understanding the music and explaining it to others is a great and humongous task. And also explaining it in a different language than your mother tongue. Thank you very much for that. I've been observing quite a few words. You have to really practice a lot, and they are coming like it's normal flow for you. So thanks for that. And also, I should thank Sridevi, Dr. Sridevi, and Radha Somanchi, who organized behind the scene for hosting the program and also doing the promotion work and reminding people to join this timely manner. And I have to thank all the participants before we leave, because without their support, we can't do anything, this kind of activities, especially during the periods where we are all locked down and we are trying to keep up the sanity. This kind of programs will always help us. And I also have to give a bit of a boost to Janaranjani team, saying that we are trying to come with some more innovative programs. And without spending too much time of Dr. Padma Garu, I will conclude this, my thank you version. Thank you once again, Padma Garu.
Thank you very much, sir. It is your support I could do this, and I always enjoyed doing this program. And my main intention of bringing out the lyrical beauties of compositions is to spread music, to bring it to lay person. I hope understanding the lyrics will give that insight into the composition, thus improve the interest in among people. And I thank Janaranjani team for giving me this opportunity to do this. Thank you.
Now we invite the audience to put their comments either on the chat, or also now I try to unmute all the mics. So if you want to say thank you in this session, please do so. And we welcome your comments and feedback, and whatever you want to say, this is your time, please. Thank you so much. So I see that people are posting comments on the chat box, but now I would invite Gordhan Garu also. So you want to say a few words?
పర్వాలేదండి, పర్వాలేదు. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ బాగా కండక్ట్ చేశారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ టు జనరంజని టీమ్, అండ్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు పద్మ గారు ఫర్ కండక్టింగ్ ఏ గుడ్ సెషన్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ ఫర్ 4 weeks.
The number of hours that she spent to bring that knowledge to us is I can see it could be like more than 30-40 hours, because she understands it. So it was very good, and I think the winners here are the listeners, because for them she just put the nectar in front of us to take, and so I hope that people will take this by going back to the lyrics again and then understanding, and then we appreciate you the time to go through them once. And we have to apologize that the time is not adequate for Padma Garu, because each of them is like an ocean, and we have to really be very stringent on the time constraint. And so she has managed to successfully finish in 5 weeks. So I really want people to speak, and here we have Dr. Padma Garu parents here, so very honorable presence here. So Namaste Amma, you want to say something here to your daughter?
Thank you. మాట్లాడచ్చు చెప్పండి. హలో,
నమస్కారం.
నమస్కారం అండి, నమస్కారం. ఏదో ఏం చెప్పాలో నాకు తెలియట్లేదు, ఏదో విన్నాము అంతే. మీరేదో ఇట్లాంటి ఆపర్చునిటీ కల్పించారు, అదే మెనీ మెనీ థ్యాంక్స్. అది చెప్పలే.
చాలా బాగుంటుంది విషయం, అందరికీ తెలిసేట్టుగా చెప్పించారు. ఈ అవకాశం మీరు కల్పించడం మా అమ్మాయికి మాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ఈ అవకాశం కల్పించిన వారందరికీ కూడాను మా ధన్యవాదాలు.
ఐ డోంట్ నో, పిలిస్తే ఏమన్నా చెప్పదు, లేకపోతే లేదు.
ప్లీజ్,
ఇట్స్ లైవ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అండి.
you are being heard, sir.
Hi, this is Sridevi and I am Padma's sister, younger sister in Hyderabad.
Thank you for being here. Cheppandi.
Yeah, thank you, Usha Garu. Actually, I think I keep getting to hear a lot about Janaranjani and your programs through my sister and my brother-in-law, and I keep joining few of them, and it's really nice, and they're very nice, very good idea that the way you are conducting these programs, and I should thank you and my sister for this beautiful explanation. Which otherwise, yeah, we do discuss as sisters, as family, we do discuss between us ourselves, but this kind of joining a session and understanding the meaning of the Pancharatna Kritis is very beautiful, and I've really enjoyed these sessions, and thanks for giving this opportunity for us to join these sessions.
అది కాదు శ్రీదేవి చిట్టి గారు వినండి, మీకు అవకాశం వచ్చింది బానే ఉంది, కానీ మీరు చెప్పాల్సింది మీ అక్కగారు బాగా మాట్లాడారని కాదు. వారు మాట్లాడిన విషయం మీద మీరు ఏదన్నా విమర్శ చేస్తే మేము వింటాం. ఆవిడ ఎంతవరకు చెప్పిన దాంట్లో, ఎందుకంటే సంగీతం సాహిత్యం మీకు కూడా తెలుసు కనుక, మేమేమో మాకు తెలీదు ఈ విషయాల్లో, మేము చాలా వెనకబడి ఉన్నాం కనుక, మీరు సంగీతము వచ్చు సాహిత్యము తెలుసు కనుక, మీరు ఆవిడ చెప్పిన దాంట్లో విషయం ఏదన్నా ఇది కాదు ఇది అవునను అని చెప్తే అది కొంచెం బాగుంటుందని నా ఉద్దేశం.
యా, అంటే కొన్ని విషయాలు తప్పకుండా మేబీ థ్యాంక్స్ నాన్నగారు. సో అంటే కొన్ని పద విభజన నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తే ఓకే కదా, అంటే ఈ గ్రూప్ అంతా తెలుగు వాళ్ళ లేకపోతే డు వి హావ్ అదర్స్? యా, ఓకే. సో ఆ పద విభజన అనేది చాలా వరకు నాకు కూడా కొన్ని తెలీదు. ఈ సెషన్ ద్వారా తెలుసుకున్నాను నేను చాలా వరకు కూడా ఆ మీనింగ్లు అవి, కొన్ని అర్థాలు కానీ, ఆ పద విభజన కానీ, ఆ సందులు కానీ, అది పొయిటిక్ గా ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేశారు, ఇలాంటివి కూడా చాలా వరకు కూడా నాకు తెలీదు. ఏదో పాడేప్పుడు దాన్ని ఎలా పాడతాం, ఏదో నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా, అలా ఆ బ్రేకులు, ఆ విభజన కూడా కరెక్ట్ గా చెయ్యం. ఇప్పుడు విన్నాక, ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఈ అర్థం తెలుసుకున్నాక, అయ్యో చాలా తప్పులు పాడేసావే ఇన్నేళ్ళు అని కొన్ని సార్లు అనిపించింది. అరే ఇలా తప్పు పాడేసావే, ఇలా పాడకూడదు అనమాట. ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఆ భావానికి తగ్గట్టుగా ఆ త్యాగరాజ స్వామి వారు ఒక అనుభూతితో రాశారు పంచరత్న కీర్తనలని, కానీ ఏ త్యాగరాజ కీర్తన అయినా కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఆ అనుభూతిని మనం కూడా తెలుసుకుని ఆ అనుభూతితో పాడితే దాని అర్థం వేరు, ఆ వచ్చే ఆనందం వేరు. సో ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ద్వారా అవి చాలా వరకు నాకు కూడా తెలియనివి చాలా నేను కూడా తెలుసుకున్నాను ఈ కార్యక్రమం ద్వారా. అందుకు జనరంజన్ గారికి, ఉషా గారికి, మా అక్కయ్యకి చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు. చాలా బాగుంది.
ఇక్కడ ఒక చిన్న కరెక్షన్ ఉంది. జనరంజని ఈజ్ ఎ టీమ్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ ఎన్ ఎంటిటీ అండ్ వీఆర్ ప్రౌడ్ టు బిలాంగ్ టు దట్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మీరందరూ కూడా జనరంజని ఫ్యామిలీ అయిపోయారు. మనందరం జనరంజని ఫ్యామిలీ.
We'll give opportunity to others also, like maybe Venkat uncle, Utkuri uncle want to say something, or
uncle చెప్పండి.
హలో,
చెప్పండి.
మొత్తం విన్నాము. నేను మా వాళ్ళు కూడా విన్నారు. చాలా సంతోషము. ఈ అర్థాలు తెలియాలంటే మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు చెప్పాలి. అది పద విభజన వాటిని గురించి మాకేం తెలియదు. ఏదో వింటుంటాం, పాటలు వింటుంటాం కానీ అర్థం కావాలంటే మటుకు మీరు చెప్పినట్టు మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు చెబితేనే మాకు అర్థమైద్ది, లేకపోతే అర్థం కాదు. చాలా సంతోషము మీ వివరణలన్నీ. అంత తప్ప ఇంక నేనేమి చెప్పలేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. జనరంజని, శ్రీదేవి చాలా చేసింది. ఇదంతా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయటం అనేది ఇది నాకు కొంత నేర్పింది. ఎట్లా చేయాలి ఏమిటి వెళ్ళి అది మొత్తానికి జాయిన్ అయ్యాను గ్రూప్ లో. ఐ కుడ్ లిజన్ టు యూ అండ్ ఐ కుడ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ టు పద్మ గారు యాజ్ వెల్ as శ్రీదేవి గారు అండ్ Raj Kurumeti, of course, he is also behind, and all the other members of Janaranjani. Thank you very much.
Thank you. కళాభారతి
శ్రీదేవి గారు, మిగిలిన ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి ఇలాంటి కీర్తనల గురించి ఇలాగే మీరు తెలియపరిస్తే మా అందరికీ కూడాను విషయాలు ఇంకొంచెం బాగా అవగాహన అవుతాయని చెప్పేసి నేను చెప్తూ ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇలా చేసినందుకు ధన్యవాదం.
మీ యొక్క ఆశీర్వచనాలు కావాలండి. ఇట్స్ వెరీ
ఎప్పుడూ ఉంటాయండి.
Now I would invite Kalabharati Performing Arts and the person behind its success, Chiranjeevi Shailaja. నువ్వు చెప్తా అమ్మా ఏమన్నా?
మనం పోదానండి ఇంకా.
So I want everyone to speak, and also I want to try something. So let us all give a big clap for Padma garu. So
మంచిదమ్మా పద్మ, కార్యక్రమం చక్కగా నడిపించావు. శుభాశీస్సులు, శుభమస్తు, శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Thank you, Nangaru.
So if anyone wants to speak, please do so. We value your comments. And గోవర్ధన్ గారు, మీరు కూడా మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన కొన్ని మీ సందేశాలు కూడా చెప్తారని
నేను చెప్పేశానండి. అందరికీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్, చక్కగా కండక్ట్ చేశారు. ఇనిషియేషన్ బాగుంది. ఇటువంటి ప్రోగ్రాంలు ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ గా ఉంటే తప్పకుండా మ్యూజిక్ లెర్నర్స్ కి, చిన్నపిల్లలకి అందరికి చక్కగా ఉపయోగపడతాయి ఇవి. ఇలానే కొన్ని థియరీ సెషన్స్ కూడా కండక్ట్ చేయగలిగితే వాళ్ళకి చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది.
వీటి రికార్డింగ్స్ షేర్ చేయగలరా అండి? నేను మా పద్మ గారి సిస్టర్ ని.
తప్పకుండా అండి, తప్పకుండా. We have the recordings and ఇవాల్ది కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది. So whoever is interested, I already put it in the chat. So I just need your email ID so that I can share it through the Google Drive, because they are very large files. We got the audio file separately and the video file. So we have here also some esteemed guests from New Zealand and from India and from Sydney. And there are people who couldn't join us from US because they have this timing issue. So for them it is like very midnight.
సారీ శ్రీదేవి గారు, ఒక చిన్న విషయము, నటరాజన్ మాట్లాడుతున్నానండి. కళాభారతి పెర్ఫార్మింగ్ ఆర్ట్స్ వారు మెసేజ్ పెడుతున్నారండి. somehow they can't unmute అని చెప్తున్నారు. something is wrong with them. వాళ్ళ మెసేజ్ కావాలంటే మీరు చదవండి.
చదివాను. 1 minute. ఇది the whole system. 1 second. Give me please 1 second. I would try to. Yeah.
వాళ్ళు అన్మ్యూట్ లోనే ఉన్నారు, బట్ somehow they feel that they couldn't talk. అంతే. Anyhow, we'll go ahead if they can join.
Shailaja, you are on. We can hear you, Nana. Shailaja. So just check your computer system, because you might need to join through the internet audio. If you are using an iPhone. Oh yeah. Shailaja, hello. Yeah. So we can't hear you because maybe. Sailaja?
Yeah, we can't hear her.
Yeah, I think it is the audio settings. So some of these iPhones, they work through a different audio system. So for Android, you have to choose the device audio, but for iPhone, it is the internet audio. But I would really want everyone to say something. And I see here Sri Iskapalli and Sirisha, Krithiventi, Samstita, and Radha. Radha Garu, you want to say something, Andy? Okay, Niti Nair. Miriam Chapta.
It was a really good experience, Sunday. I had learned so many things today, and I thank Padma Garu for that. And it's really a blessing. Thank you so much for organizing all these things. Thank you.
Thank you, Radha.
We are all part of this, and
Yes,
not
we're
one.
really proud. Yeah.
It is like a group. So Gurmeet Garu, he has done so much of background work, and
Yeah.
young team members, and everyone is behind this. And Aruna Garu couldn't join. She wanted to share her appreciation to Padma Garu and
Definitely.
and especially Durvasa Murthy uncle. So we send all those wishes to Dr. Padmaji. And with your permission, I would like to conclude the session. And you know our WhatsApp group. So if anyone wants to post further comments, you can do so on the Facebook page. Or yes, చెప్పండి.
ఉషా గారు కళాభారతి వాళ్ళు మెసేజ్ పెట్టారు, అది కొంచెం రీడ్ చదవమన్నారు అనుకుంటాను, ఒకసారి చూడండి వాళ్ళ మెసేజ్.
Okay. Yeah, Kalabharti couldn't unmute the Shailaja. Yeah. So I see the sentiment. Generally, everyone wants to continue these sessions by picking up specific compositions and continue to educate. Even I'm educated quite a lot while listening to Padma Garu. In fact, every recording, you have to listen at least like 10 times before you understand the heart of Tyagaraja, or maybe 10 times, I'm underestimating, maybe more times. So with that, thank you, Sailaja, for sending that message. And Sailaja herself is a very authentic dancer, and she has been doing so much work through her dance. And we wish everyone here great time in this new situation where we find more personal time to do these things. And I see message from Sri Iskapalli. Thank you, Janranjani team. Yeah, that's good. It is a team effort. And yeah. With your permission, can I end this?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Usha Garu. We are leaving the meeting now.